go see the new kitty. Kitties, kitties, kitties. Kitty, kitty cats. Kitty, kitty cats. These are my new kitties. Cute, aren't they? Aren't they cute? Let me know in the comment section below if they're cute. Then Jefferson do. Jeffer do. Jeffer do. Bogus. Bogus. Hi, Yellow Beer. Yellow Beer isn't that my new cat. Hi, Yellow Beer. You don't give a shit about what I do to you. You highly don't give a shit about what I do to you. You're just sitting there like I'm the cutest cat. Like I'm the cutest cat in the world. Sorry, but my new ones are cute. Look how cute they are! Oh my goodness! I'm keeping them forever, by the way. If you see one in the background of my webcam, which I'll maybe start doing later eventually, you might see one of them just stroll right in. Hi, Mads. Mads is really scared. I'm sorry if this isn't super high quality. My skin color is not red. It's more like a whitish, but it shows up red on the camera. This isn't my skin color. Nor the orange on here. It's a little more brighter. This is just not the best lighting. Sorry about that. Jefferson looks pretty close. He looks almost kind of like it. Look at them eyes. Look at his eyes. They're so cute. And your cute little whiskers. Oh, they yawn. Oh, isn't that right, bud? Isn't that right, bud? One hell of a big yawn. Oh, no. Okay, now you're just gonna do some weird stuff. Madison just sitting over here. What the hell is he doing? Hello, kitty kitty cat. We've got these treats for later. So for now, kitties, I will let you nap. Okay, that's kind of cute. I honestly like my new kitties. Alrighty, let's just get back into the setup. Also, here is my setup. If you guys haven't seen my setup before, this is my setup. It's a little stupid. So i5 processor. I'm working on Ow! I stepped on my feet. So I'm testing a gate right now. Crossstrikes 891, if you're watching this, there's your video for how to make a railroad crossing. There's screen recorders out there that can record your screen. So if you have Windows 10, you can press you can press Windows and G. It pulls up this. Up here, if you see it, you can record a video. This is what I use to record videos, right here, this one button. But if you have Windows 10, it ain't working like that. You'd probably have some other screen recorder down here or something. I don't know what goes on with Mac and other stupid companies. If you don't have Windows 10, you most likely have a Mac. And if you have Mac, then your computer is a garbage bag. Because Windows 10, compared to So Windows 10 to compared to a so Windows 10 compared to Mac is a total trash bag. So Windows 10. So let's see. Windows 10 compared to Mac is a trash bag. Also, CrestRx891. I don't know if I'm mistaken, but your voice and my voice sound a little similar. I really don't know. I really don't quite know yet, but they sound they sound sort of similar. I don't know. But anyhow, feel free to yeah, this is the gate that I'm working on. And it's just gonna, yeah, you get the point. Also, we're gonna test this on a live video. If we open up this, drawers and drawer. Yeah, I really don't know. Okay, alright, whatever. So the benefit is dun dun dun, but they don't turn, sadly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. I will comment down to the rest of you right here. I am reading your comments. So if I open this up, I will see all your comments and I will try to reply to each and every one of them. Focus, camera, to each and every one of them. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Goodbye.